Good morning, Mary. How are you today? Good morning, ma'am. I am doing well. Thank you. How about you? I am fine, thank you. Did you finish cleaning the living room yesterday? Yes, ma'am. I cleaned the living room and made sure everything was tidy. That's great, Mary. I appreciate your hard work. Today, could you please focus on cleaning the bedrooms and bathrooms? Of course, ma'am. I will prioritize the bedrooms and bathrooms today and make sure they are sparkling clean. Thank you, Mary. Also, could you please do the laundry? The basket is full and we need fresh clothes. Absolutely, ma'am. I will take care of the laundry and make sure it's all done by the end of the day. Wonderful. Oh, and one more thing. Could you please prepare lunch for me and my guests at noon? Certainly, ma'am. May I know what would you like for lunch? Let's have a simple pasta dish with a side salad. Does that sound good to you? That sounds delicious. I will make sure to prepare the pasta and salad for you and your guest. Thank you, Mary. I really appreciate your help. If you need anything or have any questions, feel free to let me know. You are welcome, ma'am. I am here to assist you. If I have any questions, I will be sure to ask.